Today I'm unboxing my new Mockas, genuine leather moccasins. Here's the side of the box. Pretty nice presentation. Got your shoes, a couple other items. Looks like we have a shoehorn. That's nice. And a brush for the shoe to clean them up. And a little travel bag. That's nice to put in your suitcase. Keep your other clothes clean. Alright, let's check out the shoes. These look really nice. Go. I got the premium blue color. Got the white stitching. A red accent, blue accent. That looks nice. Okay. Blue stitching around the side and in the back. Oh, I like that little blue highlight there on this back side, the reinforcement. All the way around. Bottom looks good. I like the rubber. It's got stitching and rubber. Mockas logo. Mockas, I might be saying that wrong. Here we go. Oh, this shoe has a little tag on it. Here's the inside. Made in Peru. A little aeration, that feels nice. Tag, these are size 8. I like the look of these. I'm excited to try these out. Let's see how the box comes with this little sticker. Have a good weight to them. They'll be nice and light. They still feel very substantial. Probably try to use these for work. And when I'm supposed to look nice when I go out. Yeah, I like these.